We are going to learn modify column. Okay, this is now see here modify column. Okay, how to modify column of table column we have to modify here. Just we have to use braces. Okay, it will work. Now we are going to copy as it is. Just we are going to enter. Okay, it's showing to error. Now just go here, see here. Now I copy paste, see here. Just I am going to enter. See, modified already existing. What I am going to do, just I am going to use braces. Okay, now here use braces already. See here braces varchar. Okay, already not a null. See here it is showing is already not null. Okay, we not going to modify not null. Okay, just I am going to remove not null. Okay, just I am going to remove braces also. Okay, just I am going to enter. See here already changed. Now here 30. Now refresh. Okay, see here 100. Like this way we are modified. Okay, this way we are completed. Not a null. Not a null is already applied. Modify multiple columns. Okay, using braces here same way. This column name here. Okay, just I am going to copy and paste in SQL developer. Where is this is my SQL developer. Just I am going to modify. Okay, alert here. Okay, alert table name here name. Okay, just going to enter. Okay, see here not null is already not null. Okay, column to be modified to not null is already not null. What I am going to do, just I am going to delete. Okay, not null. Just I am going to enter. See here modified successfully. Just go and check what is given. City. Okay, where is the city is 50. Now going to refresh. See here 100. This way we done. Alert table, modify columns. Okay, add, using the add command we going to add columns. See here add columns. Same way drop columns. Okay, just I am going to drop. Just alert table. Okay, customer name we are going to drop columns. What going to do, just here we are going to drop customer name. See here customer name column is there. Just refresh. Now just I am going to enter again. Okay, see here customer alerted. Now going to see here, just refresh. See here there is a customer name we dropped. Okay, now again rename. Okay, this is one of the rename column of a table. Okay, this is a table column old name and new name. Okay, just I am going to give here. This is a sample. Now we are going to implement. Okay, new name. Okay, now see here A is missing. Just enter a alert table customers. This is old name. Okay, see here old name, new name is C name. Okay, customer name. Just going to enter. Customer name is invalid identifier. Okay, customer name. Okay, alert table C name. Oh, I think customer name is not there. Okay, just what I am going to do, first I am going to add customer name. Okay, just paste here. Okay, add customer name. Okay, we have to give size also. Okay, varchar 2, just give 100. Okay, here A is missing. Okay, just varchar 200. Just copy. Okay, what happened? Invalid varchar. Okay, Control Z. Otherwise just give add command add. Okay, just I am going to close braces. Okay, just I am going to enter. See here, add customer name varchar 100. This is add. Okay, this is a mistake. Like that we have to add. Now we added customer name. Okay, using the add command. Okay, now we are going to rename. Okay, C name to customer name to name. See here, see C name. Now I am going to use. Okay, this is I don't want to, I want to rename to customer name. Here old name is C name. See here, customer name is C name. Now I am going to use a customer name. Control enter. See here, go and check. See, refresh customer name. Like that we are rename customer names. Okay, rename table name also. Just rename table name. Table, this is a table name and a new table name. Okay, same way. Control copy. Just this is my SQL query. Just I am going to enter. Okay, my table name. This is a customer to retail. Okay, just see here, table name customer and a new table name is a retail. See here, this is a customer table. Just what we are going to use alert table rename to new table. Just enter. See here, refresh, select. Okay, refresh. See here, retail. Like this we completed. Okay, next already we know drop table. Just using this command we can drop table. Okay, already we dropped some tables. Okay, where we are dropped. Okay, drop table next video I will explain. Thank you.